Hi, all. This is Jeremy Zimmerman, and welcome to my English 101 final presentation. I've chosen to write my final presentation on Just Walk On By Black Men and a Public Space by Brent Staples. Brent was born in 1951 in Chester, Pennsylvania, and is an author and editorial writer for the New York Times. He's written many books, which include An American Love Story and Parallel Time Growing Up in Black and White, which won the Anisfield Wolf Book Award. In this essay, Brent touches upon three issues that plagued him throughout his entire life. One was racism, two, prejudice, and three, stereotyping. Throughout his essay, Brent describes times in his life where he's simply walking down the street and people pick up the pace when they see him or when they hear him from behind. He also mentions times where he would take extra precautions, change the way he looks, take up different types of music just to make people feel more comfortable around him. There are many challenges that lead to racism, prejudice, and stereotyping, and just a couple of them are 28% of African American children are currently living without a father figure. Black homicide rates are 7 to 8 times higher than those committed by white individuals. And poverty rates are 4 to 5 times higher in the Black communities than in other communities. Throughout my essay, I'm going to present different ideas for change, different ideas how we can combat the prejudice and the stereotyping and the racism that Brent experienced throughout his life. One, I think better and higher education. Number two, stronger family unit. And number three, and I think perhaps even most important, creating a sense of worth, and in particular, self-worth. With good education, one has the chance to go to a school and possibly make a career and find what they're truly passionate about in life. And we see this time and time again. And obviously, a strong supporting family is extremely important for mental health and the well-being of any individual. And once again, throughout history, we've seen individuals that through education, through strong family, and through this sense of self-worth have gone on to reach the highest of highs regardless of their skin color. That's in a very high level what I'm going to be talking about in my paper. I thank you all for your time and look forward to comments. Thank you.